Hello, the purpose of this video is for you to be able to use this metric conversion chart to perform metric conversions simply by just jumping around on this little ladder thing. Now the way it's set up is you've got your base unit in the center, and this is anything like grams, any liter, meter, and you've got your bigger units that are not prefixes, they're not really units. Prefixes that are bigger than 1 in increments of 10 to its left, and below you've got increments or prefixes that are less than 10, like a tenth, a hundredth, or a thousandth, and it's 10, 100, and 1,000. Now, if you're converting up the ladder, you're going to move the decimal to the left. If you're converting down the ladder, you're going to move the decimal to the right. And each step requires one jump or one decimal spot in either direction. So if I had a kilometer, how many centimeters would that be? All right, 1 kilometer. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 100,000 centimeters in 1 kilometer. Now, sorry about the pause. I didn't know it was recording. If I had 543 milligrams, how many grams is that? Milligrams is down here. It's the last one. So that's 1, 2, 3 jumps. So I'm going to move the decimal 3 spots. So 1, 2, 3. I'm going to get 0.543 grams. Now, if I wanted to convert grams into kilograms, that's 1, 2, 3 jumps. So that's 1, 2, 3 moves to the left. And that's how you use the metric conversion ladder to perform metric conversions. And thank you for listening, and I hope this has been informative, and let me know if any way I can make it better for you, okay? Hope you're well. Have a good night.